What's going on YouTube? It's your boy K1. Hey, I finally got my glasses from Zenni Optical. I'm talking about, man, I really needed some new glasses. Like, you probably can't tell from looking, but these glasses are old. I probably had these glasses for about 3 or 4 years. The transition film has gone out of them. They hard to clean nowadays. It was just time for a new pair. But, you know, safe to say I finally got my package and I'm excited for them. When you do order through Zenni, they do tell you it'll take about 14 to 21 days. And actually mine came earlier than expected. Mine came within about 11 days, give or take. But they're finally here. So, I mean, if any of y'all just, you know, never use any online, you know, glasses, you know, wear places or whatever, I suggest y'all try it because, you know, I probably spent $150 to $160 on 3 pair of glasses. Well, not 3 pair, but 3 glasses. And you know, I will say I feel like that's a good deal because normally just on 1 pair, I would end up spending about $300, $400, and that's with insurance. So, like I said, I'm glad to say they're already here. So, check it out. This is my first pair right here. So, in there it comes with like a little measuring tool for your glasses or whatever. And when you order, all you need is your prescription. So you can go to any eyewear place that you normally go to, like America's Best or, you know, any other place that you go to get an eye exam. And you can use that information and you just plug it into their site and you can get your glasses. And the cool thing about when you order on there, you know, you get everything that you want. You know, you're not necessarily limited. So, like, I know for me, when normally I purchase glasses or whatever, you know, to get transitions or blue blockers or anything like that in my glasses, it's so much of an extra charge. But I was able to get all that and more purchasing through Zenni. But yeah, normally when you go to a glasses place or whatever, you know, you'll pay so much extra just to get everything that you want in them. Like I said, you know, luckily I was able to, you know, purchase what I got and, you know, still have enough to, you know, plenty money to spend with. I have to pick and choose what, you know, I wanted from my glasses. So since the deal was so good, excuse me, since the deal was so good, I ended up getting 3 glasses instead of just normal 2 or 1 I would normally get. Since, you know, it was $160 for all of them, I was like, bet, I'll just go ahead, you know, treat myself, you know what I mean? So these first pair of glasses here I got, they got plastic on it, you know, of course, for protection for the glasses, but I got these frames right here. And these frames have blue blockers in them, you know, for people that, you know, game or, you know, or console computer, you know, throughout the day. And also anti-scratch lenses as well. And like I said, probably just these alone were probably about $60 for everything I got with them. So they'll be great for me when I, you know, go back into work. And then my next pair, you can see they all come in there, you know, blue casing or whatever. So, you know, just say if you're not a big case person or whatever, you know, you already got them. You ain't got to worry about going out and go get some more. So, more so the same with this one. You know, you had a little measurement for your eyes or whatnot that you can use if you want to refer a friend. And here's my next pair of glasses. These are pretty nice as well. I also got these for work. And then also, you know, I don't know if y'all noticed, but they do come their own cloth. So you ain't got to worry about getting another cloth, which is cool. So here's my second one. Like I said, same thing in these, you know, the blue blockers for your eyes, transition lenses in them, and they anti-scratch resistant as well. So like I said, that's my second pair. All right, and last but not least, I got these to be my gaming glasses because I am a gamer. I do game or whatnot. So I was like, let me just get just get me an extra pair of cents. For the money I was paying. Why not? And then they also give you like a blue light filter so you can actually see that the product works, as far as what they say and everything. So they do give you this, and this is complimentary or whatnot. You ain't got to pay for this. But like I said, last but not least, these are going to be my gamer glasses. So, and then I also purchased shades with them as well. And these aren't that much either. I think they're like $4 to add on with any pair of glasses that you get. And drum roll, please. Gamer glasses. Yeah, I like that. Now with these, I didn't get the transitions in them, just because you see I got the shades to go with them anyway. So they're my little aviator gaming shades or whatever. So that's it for these. And like I said, so far, man, everything looks good. Especially what I paid for the price or whatever. Everything looks good compared to what I would normally pay. For glasses that are regular, eyeglass place or whatever. So I'm about to enjoy these. Matter of fact, I think I'm about to put my gamer glasses on now because I'm probably about to get into some Call of Duty. So see how these things look. Whoa, clear, boy. When I when I tell you I was due for an upgrade, these things are clear. I like them. I like them. And like I said, what I paid for, you can't beat it. Hey, but until next time, man, this is your boy K1. Hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing of Zenni Optical lenses. And I'm definitely telling y'all to go try it out, especially if you're a glasses person like me. It's worth the money that you're spending versus going to actual, eye doctor or whatever. So like I said before, just go to your local eye doctor, get your eyes checked out, get your prescription, plug them in Zenni Optical, then you're good to go. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.